Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use my SkyscraperSim building creator. There is no splash screen here. First click on the Draw Area button. Then draw a building. You can then add a wall. Then add a door. You can add doors to the external walls of the building as well as to the internal walls. If you want to add an elevator, hover your cursor over the place where you want to add an elevator. Look in the corner of the screen. You will see a number combination like 22 minus 32. Remember this combination. Then click on the Elevators button. Create an elevator and add the combination you have remembered. The first part of the combination is X. Then Z, choose your own textures and elevator type. Then click on Done and you have an elevator created. If you want to change the textures, click on the Textures button. Customize your textures. When you are done, click on the Export.bld button. You will download the building which you just need to put in the SkyscraperSim Buildings folder. Then start SkyscraperSim and start your building and look Nani. If something doesn't work, I'm not responsible because this entire building creator was completely made by AI XDDDDDDD.